Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Don't Do It, and that is by Bishop Paul Morton. And guys, we're in the key of C, a very easy key, all white keys. We're going to get into it. We're going to have a good time. And you know what? To kick things off, let me show you what I'm working with. I am working with Celsius Live Fit, and that's the Galaxy Vibe. Guys, I'm going to get into this, but before I get into it, I want you to go to your favorite refrigerator, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, pull up a seat, and sit down and learn with your favorite instructor in the whole wide world, me, AK, on today. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of C. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We have the great Bishop Paul Morton in the building. He is coming through. He's in the man cave. He is getting ready to sing. Guys, I want you to welcome him. But of course, we have to stretch our knuckles. All right, let's crack them, stretch them out. I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and receive Bishop Paul Morton.
Lord, whatever you're doing in this season, don't do it without me. Don't do it without me. Lord, whatever you're doing in this season, please don't do it without me. Don't do it without me. Now it's simple. You can help me. Just say, Lord, whatever you're doing in this season, don't do it without me. Don't do it without. Come on, help me say, Lord, whatever you're doing in this season, please don't do it without.
That was Don't Do It Without Me. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out on the 1. Lord, whatever you're doing in this season. Let's stop right there. So we're on the 1. We're playing the record C major chord. Sometimes I like to do that type of chord there. That's our C major with the added 2. And then we go whatever. We're on our 2. And we're playing an F major chord. We're going to our 1. That's a C major chord. You're doing. We're on the G chord on the 7. In this season, going to the 3. Stand on that G chord. I like to do this. That's just a 5-1-4 progression. So we're on the 5. We're playing this B2 chord. We're resolving with our 1. We're playing this C dominant 7 chord. And then we're going to our regular F chord. And sometimes you can go ahead and hit that 2 to make it sound a little bit fuller. Then we're going to the 3, 6. All that is. Regular G major chord. Going to our 6, playing a regular C major chord. Going to our F chord on the 2. Without me. That's just a 5, regular F chord, going to the 1. And that's the C major chord. Our turnaround is, let me give you that. We're on the 6. We're playing this chord. Resolving with our G major chord with the added 2. I hope I was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is Abusive Husband Fate. I remember my pastor at the time sharing a story about a man who used to abuse his wife. One day, the woman came to church, and during the service, the pastor revealed to her that she was in an abusive relationship and that God was ready to deliver her from it. She went home and told her husband she was leaving. Furious, the man stormed down to the church to confront the pastor. But the pastor stood firm and boldly declaring, "You will never lay another hand on her again." The man angrily left, saying, "Well, we'll see about that." Not even moments later, he was hit by a bus, and it was that same pastor who preached his funeral. I learned that God will always stand on the side of the oppressed and will make a way of escape when we trust Him. Confronting evil with courage and faith can lead to powerful, even divine protection and justice. Awesome lesson, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes. Thank you so much for coming in, learning with me. This is the time of the video. I tell you that we're on the road to, what'd you say? I heard somebody say it, 1 million. Yeah, give it up for the 1 million. This great feat cannot be done without you. Share this awesome information with your friends, your loved ones, everyone that you know. We have a Facebook page, Numerical Melodies on Facebook. That's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play, and hopefully you do as well. And shoot me a request. That is viewers' request. That's me playing a song that you want me to play, and I will do it for you, and you come in and enjoy it, right? So guys, Numerical Melodies on Facebook. Check it out. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell, because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yes, they say it takes 3 seconds, and I believe it does. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it, and you just hit the bell. Thank you. You just made my day. You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.